One of the annoying things on the Camino de Santiago is when you see two route markers for the Camino, each pointing in different directions, and it's like, well, which way do I go? In this case, I took the left route, and I'm really glad I did because 5 minutes later, I ran into one of those magical moments on the Camino de Santiago.
Looks like we have a traffic jam on the road. There's a bunch of sheep holding up traffic. Oh, look, and there's a dog herding them. This is so cute. Oh, they're coming right at me on the path in the Camino here. Well, some of them are on the road and some of them are on the Camino de Santiago. What a joy. Oh my God, these guys are so cute. Look at that. Oh. The dog says, "Get in line, you buggers." Oh, that dog says, "You little suckers, get back in the line up here." There's the straggler, kind of like me. And the show is over.